Hello everyone, welcome back to the course on part modeling in PTC Creo. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about the pattern command. Patterns are used for the repetitive works of the object. So let us draw one object first. Go to the sketch, select one plane, go to the sketch mode. In this case, we will draw the circle having dimensions as a 350. Select OK. Click on the extrude. Here we will extrude the circle up to the distance of 50 mm. Click on OK. One thing you have to note down, for applying the pattern command, the feature whatever you want to do pattern, that should be drawn separately on the object. So that's why here I am adding the another feature which I want to do pattern with the help of separate tool, that is the pattern. So click on the sketch, select the plane. Here I want the pattern of the circle on the circumference of the base circle. So that's why here I will select the reference of outer circle. Click on OK. Then click on the circle. Here I will take the circle option. The radius I want as a 80. Then click on OK. Go to the extrude command. Then change the direction. Set the distance up to 50 mm. Now we have added this extra feature to the original circle. To use the pattern command, we have to select the feature whatever we have drawn separately. So click this feature, then go to the pattern. In this case, we have to select the center axis. So that's why in the dimension, select the axis. We have to select this. By default, there are 4 patterns, 4 objects with 90° apart. So initially I want suppose 6 objects which are 60° apart. So click on the OK. So in this way we can get the pattern of semicircle with 6 number of objects. So in this case we have added the material. Now we will remove the material and we will see how we can do the pattern for the removal of the material. So for that purpose, click on the sketch, go to the plane, and here we will draw the hole. So consider the rectangular hole here. Dimensions I want 50 by 50, 50 by 50. The distance apart is suppose 60. OK. Now go to the extrude, choose the material removal option. Here we have selected the material removal option and we have made here the square pocket. Click on the OK. Now this feature is automatically selected. If I unselect this, so you can select it again. So go to the pattern, then select the axis, in this case I have selected the axis as y-axis. So number of points I want suppose 4 itself, so click on OK. So in this way we can do the material removal options also with the help of pattern.